Okay, so this is something that I eat all the time. I buy it from a place that overcharges me a lot. And Christine told me that she could absolutely make it exactly the same or even better. And that's what we are going to do today. And she made it just a little bit more fun, if you will, because there is a hard chocolate coating. So we get to crack it open like when we were kids. Yeah. Like that.
Welcome to our channel. We are the
Lazy Cook
and the Healthy Chef.
And we would love it if you would subscribe and follow along.
Yeah. So check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Lazy Cook, Healthy Chef, or Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
All the places.
And everywhere.
All the places. So this is the vegan chocolate mousse.
My favorite thing ever. I love it because it's very rich. I can take a tablespoonful and feel really satiated and don't feel like I need to eat all the chocolate chips in the house.
There you go. And it's a super easy recipe. It's got very few ingredients, so it's great for a lazy cook.
That's right, because I can't do too many ingredients or steps.
By the way, did you know avocado is super high in fiber? You probably already knew that because you know a lot of things.
But you know what? I like to know things.
Okay.
Even if I already know them.
15 grams of fiber.
Wow.
In an avocado about this size. That's a lot of fiber.
That is a lot.
So the ingredients for the avocado chocolate mousse, 2 avocados, extra dark chocolate chips.
So good.
Which are half gone, by the way, by...
Half?
Okay,
No.
at least a quarter of the way down.
No way. I've had like maybe 5. All right, maybe 6.
Okay, all right. We're going to score vanilla bean. Have you ever done that before?
I have not.
Oh, yeah. It'll be
Learn
fun.
something new every day.
Something new every day. We've got some Celtic sea salt, extra dark cocoa powder. For the sweetener, we're using maple syrup. And then to top, we're going to use our vegan coconut whipped cream and some berries and some mint.
I love it. How beautiful.
This takes literally 2 minutes to make. So put your seatbelt on and don't blink.
I love it.
So this is your vanilla bean. Costco sells them. I know Ivy's excited. She gave us a woof woof
I heard a
that.
woof.
Can I get a woof woof?
Can we get a woof woof
Yeah.
for Costco?
So what I do is I like to flatten it a little bit.
Okay.
So that when I'm going to score it, I'm going to be able to get in there. And there's basically some yummy vanilla bean paste inside here. So it's really good. Yeah, perfect.
See, I wanted to be a surgeon. You know that?
Well, you would be amazing. She has such a steady hand. This is great. And then what I do is I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to kind of wedge my way in between. And then you just scrape.
Wow. Wow.
And there's your vanilla bean paste.
Wow.
Right? Isn't that great? And then what we were taught to do in culinary school is you take this and you put it in your sugar container where you store your sugar. And then all your sugar is like vanilla sugar. It smells a little bit more like vanilla.
Ooh,
so we just take the used vanilla bean and you can just put it in your jar that you store your sugar in.
That's a great hack.
All right, so now we're gonna cut our avocados. So thumb here, forefinger here. That means you have way more control, especially like if you're peeling a fruit or anyways. So yeah. I think it's going to be amazing. I can tell.
Yeah.
Oh, ka-ching! Show them your avocado. Come on. We've got avocado right here, you guys.
Want me to see? Okay.
This is 15 grams of fiber. There you go. So when you're done with your avocado, you just give it one big thing and twist. Everybody knows
will
that.
You do that? Because that makes me nervous.
She doesn't like the knife in the pit.
I don't like the knife in the pit. It makes me very nervous.
All right, so you've got your spoon. All right, so we're just going to drop the avocado in there.
Okay.
Yummy. And you know what we can do? We can make ice cream with this too. You know that, right? We can do an chocolate avocado ice cream.
Really?
Really creamy and yummy.
Oh my God.
Remember we've done it with banana? Who says you can't do it with avocado?
You know what? After I saw you make ice cream with bananas, guess what?
Did you do it?
I became a believer.
Yeah. We forgot a step.
Oh no.
We forgot a step. We have to warm up the chocolate chips in the microwave.
Right, that's not a bad step.
At 30-second intervals. So,
all right, why don't you do that?
I'll do that. And can you get this vanilla bean paste in there?
In there, yeah.
Yeah. And here's the Tracey
spatula.
The rest of it.
The dark chocolate cocoa powder.
Yeah.
Is going in.
Yeah. So great.
And then we have the maple syrup.
Yeah.
Going in. Which again, you could use coconut palm nectar, coconut palm sugar.
Or honey.
Honey.
Yeah, so I just put the chocolate chips in the microwave, 30-second intervals to get it just melted. You don't want it bubbling hot, but just melted.
Okay. All right.
Oh, the salt goes in, by the way.
Sorry.
Thanks for reminding
There we
me.
go.
Thank you for helping me. This
Absolutely.
is amazing.
Well, I saw
It's
you
the chocolate. She
stop in the middle.
immediately went for the chocolate.
Yeah, exactly. I have an investment in this bowl. Do you want me to put it in?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah. So you can save yourself some money and make it yourself. And I think we can calculate and we can list that on there. But I think it's definitely $10 and I can make 4 to 6 servings. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So we're going to put the lid on this baby.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to pulse. Here we go.
All right.
And basically, your mousse is made. It's 4 or 5 pulses. Would you like to pulse the rest of the way?
I would
my
love
lazy
to.
cook friend.
Yes, exactly.
We're just going to go.
Oh, now it's
We're just
on.
going. We're just going to
There's
go
no
now.
pulsing. She's getting like me.
Now we're just
impatient.
going to let it go. Oh, it's looking good. It smells great too.
Can I taste it?
Yeah,
like
you
this?
should taste it. Taste a little bit.
Okay.
What do you think? Are we
Oh my God.
chocolate moussing?
By the way,
Yeah.
it's better than what I got. All right, so I think
We've
this is
made
good for
that.
one.
I'm
Okay.
proud of us.
I'm
Hi,
proud of
Ivy.
us
What do you
too.
think?
Okay.
Here, I'm just going to hold Ivy while you're cooking. Ivy, can I pick you up? Okay. Look, you can see what your mom's doing. Ivy just wants to inspect.
Yes. She's
Okay, we just want to smooth out the top just a little bit. Like, just make it, a little
Oh.
smooth and pretty.
See, this is not what I'm here for.
The first thing you learn when you
Just
go to
make it
culinary
pretty.
school, people eat
Make
with
it
their
pretty.
eyes first. We eat with
Okay.
our eyes first. Although
How's that?
Ivy wasn't picky.
I figured
That's
we
so
were
good.
going to cover it with
Well.
coconut cream.
Yeah, so here it is, you guys. It's our vegan chocolate mousse. We're gonna make it pretty and zhuzh it up,
Yeah.
and we'll be right back. But we're gonna put these in the fridge.
Okay, I love it.
Let's go.
So
So
we're putting-
it's a hard shell chocolate topping that we're making. So it's 2 cups of chocolate chips and 2/3 cup of coconut oil, and we're just gonna microwave it. Okay, would you like the honors of pouring on the
Yes,
chocolate? Of course, I'm
Of
asking you
course.
about
Hello,
chocolate.
if it's chocolate, it's my
Yeah.
job.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what I'm doing though.
Yeah, right. So you're just gonna, I would start in the middle and work my way outward.
Am I just doing
yeah,
that?
Yeah, and just keep going, working your way outward. Okay,
Okay.
now we're going to take our vegan chocolate mousse with the chocolate hard shell topping and put it in the fridge. So are we gonna add a little, I wanna
Yeah,
add some coconut
Add a
whipped
little
cream.
coconut whipped cream
Okay.
to this.
There you go.
And then
Just a
Christina's
dollop.
really great at making things look really pretty.
Well,
And so she brought out some fresh mint leaves.
mhm.
I mean, would you do that or how would you do it?
Sure. You could do
How
that.
would you make it look pretty?
Absolutely. You could put it there, or let me, here, I'll take this one.
Okay.
I'll do this
You do
huge
that one.
Mondo dessert. This is for 2 people. So this is the, these are the
Or
biggest-
me after work one day.
Yes, Tracy really loves this. So I would probably just go a little bit on the side.
She's a side mint gal.
Side mint.
I'm right in the middle.
Yeah, she went smack dab in the middle. And then I would just give myself a few raspberries. Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
What's a few raspberries between
go.
friends?
Yeah.
All
So why do I have the here? This is your
No,
favorite
this is
thing.
mine.
You want the little one?
I want the
Take
cute little one that I made. Here.
Oh
you-
gosh. You made me eat the big one.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Well, I have a husband who will happily
Yes.
finish this off. So yeah,
Oh, you
here it
need to
is.
really get in there.
You gotta
to
crack.
crack.
Okay, wait.
Oh yeah.
Holy, well, who put the large amount of chocolate on top? I wonder
Might
if
have
that
been me.
was, might have been the chocolate lover in the group here.
Please
That's a
watch-
lot of
yeah.
chocolate. Oh my gosh.
Can't wait to see if you make this
Mm,
and what you think. Let us know. And hit
wow.
the subscribe button
Make sure you subscribe, really.
for more of The Lazy Cook.
And the Healthy Chef. And we're gonna do our best to make your life fun.
Mhm.
All right.
And easy. And
So
delicious.
cheers. Happy, healthy eating, you guys.
Happy healthy eating.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.